To fix the Cache app, please try again later, error. Several steps can be taken. When the Cache app fails to load or open, it may display this message repeatedly. The issue could be due to various reasons, with one of the primary causes being an unstable internet connection. Since the Cache app is an internet-based application, a stable connection is necessary for it to function properly. Switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or vice versa, can sometimes resolve the issue. If the app still fails to open after switching internet connections, the next step is to check if the app is updated. To do this, go to the App Store, search for the Cache app, and ensure it is updated to the latest version. Updating the app often resolves the problem. However, if the issue persists after updating, further action is required. On certain devices, navigating to the settings, scrolling down to the General option, and then locating the Cache app in the store can provide a solution. From there, selecting the Offload app option and then reinstalling the app may fix the issue. These steps are generally applicable across different devices, including those running on Android. By following these troubleshooting steps, the Cache app, please try again later, error can often be resolved.